Biobase Disinfection Shandong Limited Company was established in 2015, located in Jidong Intelligent Manufacturing New Area, Jiangtou District, Jinan City, Shandong Province, as an enterprise focusing on disinfection and sterilization equipment, design, production, sales, and service. We always adhere to the concept of bringing Go Global, introduce advanced technology and management mode, and export our products to Europe, America, Japan, South Korea, Brazil, and other places which are warmly welcomed by customers around the world. A company currently mainly engaged in autoclave, air sterilizer, and various kinds of laboratory instruments and other high-quality products, and has a series of strict quality certifications such as the Registration Certificate for Medical Device of the People's Republic of China, Medical Device Production License, Sanitation License Disinfection Product Manufacturer, and ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and other quality system certification. We know that product quality is a lifeline of enterprise development. Therefore, we continue to innovate in production process and technology, select high-quality raw materials to ensure that the quality of each product can reach the highest standards. Let user rest assured choose our products. We promise to provide long-term and stable service for each customer. The company has always taken infection control products at the core and constantly developed surrounding supporting products, and finally realized the one-stop solution of disinfection and supply center products. At present, our main products include vertical autoclave, tabletop autoclave, large horizontal autoclave, laboratory automatic glass wheel washer, UV air sterilizer, hydrogen peroxide nebulizer sterilizer, and so on. Among them, vertical autoclave is widely used in laboratories, clinical departments, food processing enterprises, and pharmaceutical factories at home and abroad, which can effectively sterilize all kinds of instruments, culture media, and medical waste. Tabletop autoclave is mainly used in dermatology, ophthalmology, operating room, supply center, and other places. Large horizontal autoclave is ideal choice for hospital disinfection and supply center, pharmaceutical factory, animal laboratory, and other auxiliaries. Laboratory automatic glass wheel washer is suitable for pharmaceutical, food, and chemical enterprises, universities, scientific research institutions, testing institutions, and other laboratories, and has a visual operation interface and a variety of program setting functions, convenient to meet the cleaning needs of different users. The UV air sterilizer, hydrogen peroxide nebulizer sterilizer have efficient sterilization ability, can effectively kill bacteria and viruses in the air to ensure the cleanliness of the environment. At the same time, the company is also equipped with a professional pressure vessel protection department. The department mainly engages in pressure vessel design and manufacturing, mold design and manufacturing, product injection molding, and water treatment equipment design and manufacturing. With advanced production equipment and technology, we can produce high-quality stainless steel containers, sterilizers and disinfection tanks, aseptic tanks, and large water purifier for customers to meet the supporting processing needs for medical, pharmaceutical, and other industries. In addition to the above products, Biobase Disinfection Shandong Limited Company also dabbled in the field of laboratory equipment and the field analyzer, automatic intelligent distillation apparatus, and other high-quality laboratory equipment. The company's business covers multiple industries, including medical, electronics, consumer goods, etc. With strong technical support and high-quality products, it has won the trust and support of customers. Looking forward to the future, Biobase Disinfection Shandong Limited Company will continue to uphold the business philosophy of innovation, pragmatism, integrated win-win, and committed to providing more high-quality products and service for users, and making greater contribution to development of global health.